Good afternoon. Today we're going to be looking at Unit 1, Lesson 7, Interpreting Box and Whisker Plots. Last lesson we learned how to make them. Today we're going to interpret. Interpret's just a funny word or an exciting word for being able to read them. Okay, to interpret a box and whiskers, remember we need to know all the parts. So let's first talk about what the different parts are. I'm going to put all these pieces up here. First, there's the points, and there's the line, and there's the box, and then there's the line in the middle of the box. Okay, so minimum. All right, here is always your minimum, your dot on your smallest number. So we're going to say that is 78. Okay. The lower quartile will always be this spot where the box starts. So that's 79. We'll find the median right here, and that's that line in the box, inside the box, which is on 81. Here's the upper quartile. Okay, that's the end of the box, so that'll be 84. Then the maximum will be this one. Okay, so that's 90. Now, we can see the range in the IQR, the interquartile range, but I'm going to show you how to find it easily. Remember, the range is the biggest value, so our 90, minus our smallest value, which is our 78. If we subtract that, our range is 12. Now, to find the IQR range, or the interquartile range, we're going to take the upper 84 and we're going to subtract the lower 79, and that's going to get me 5. So much easier interpreting than it is building them, I think. At least that's my opinion. All right, let's try another one. Got all these up. Sorry. Oh, and I should talk to you about it being skewed on the right. So it's the box is more on the left, which means, okay, over here on the right has less data. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so here's the next one. Let me put all the pieces up. All right, here we go. So minimum, remember, find the first dot right here, right here. So the minimum would be 21, okay? Lower quartile is where the box begins, so we come down and we see it's on 25. Median, remember, that's the line inside the box. So that would hit 28. Upper quartile is where the box ends, which is at 30. Maximum is the farthest dot, the biggest number, so 33. Now, to find the range, remember, to find the range, I just take the big number, which is 33. Oops, my pins work. There we go. 33 minus the smallest one, right? 33 minus 21 equals, what it equals? 12. Okay, now remember, find the interquartile, we take the upper, just 30, and we subtract the lower, which is 25, and that gets us 5. All right. Now, where would you think the distribution is on this one? Okay, what is that shape? Where do you think it is? It's symmetric because it's right in the middle. It's kind of in between. Okay, good job. Here we go. Here's another one. Get our pieces on there. All right, minimum, remember the dot, the first dot, so that would be 12. The lower quartile is where we start our box. So that would be 15. The median is the line inside the box. So it's halfway between 15 and 16. Upper quartile is where the box ends. So maximum is the biggest number, which is where the second dot is, and range. Okay, so again, let's take our big number, 18, and let's subtract our little number, and that will give us a range of 6. Okay, let's do our interquartile range, our IQR. We know our upper is 17 and our lower is 15. So our IQR will be 2. Okay, I'm going to clear my screen real quick because I want to talk to you about the shape. Now, remember, if more is on this side, the tail would be on the other side. So always find the tail, which is our 12, and it will be skewed to the left. Good job. Okay, let's do another one. This one, I'm going to step back and I want you to pause your video and I want you to take a moment to try to work this out yourself. Then come back after you've finished all this and tell me, watch the video with me to see what you got. Okay. All right. Minimum should have said 28. 29 is where the box starts. 32 is where our median is. 33 is where the box ends. 39 is where our maximum number is. Range. So again, 39 minus 28 equals 11. And here we go, upper quartile. Ooh, that one's wrong. Miss Oakley got something wrong on the slide. Okay, so if the upper quartile is 33 and we subtract 29, that is not 10. That should have been 4. Excuse me. Okay, screen. And where's the tail? Well, the tail's where most of the data isn't. So it's on the right, so it's skewed right. Good job. Now you try again. Put it up the box. Okay, go ahead, pause this video again and go ahead and work it out and then come back and see if you got it right. Okay, you should have figured out that the minimum value is 54. The lower quartile is 56. Our median is 58. Our upper quartile is 60 and our max is 62. Then again, for the range, we took the maximum minus the minimum and you should have gotten 8. The inner quartile, remember you take the upper minus the lower and you got 4. Okay, if you did not get this one right, I want you to go back into the beginning of the video and rewatch because you missed something in the lesson. All right, go on to your practice. Have a good day. See you for Unit 1, Lesson 8. Bye.